Hey there. I made this small video today to show you how to use YouTube in a more productive way, how to stop just mindlessly scroll on random videos and actually start to implement information that you hear and see there. I made a small, simple tool that helps to do it very easily. It helps to save information and take notes from the things that you hear and then use it and implement it in your real life and your work and your studies. I'm going to show you how. So let's say, for example, that you are watching a lecture on human biology. And instead of just listening to it passively or making notes or trying to remember things by your memory, which is even worse, you can open this YouTube transcriber tool. That is a Chrome extension that is available here. You just add it to Chrome, you get to this welcome page, which is a step-by-step guide, and then you just go to any YouTube video and you get a free and fast transcription. It's very nice and very effective. So I'm going to show you how to use it. You just open it up here, and here you have all the transcription available. For example, you're watching the lecture and at some point you want to take a note. And instead of just writing it by your hand, you can jump to the current time here and copy the exact quote that you want to save. So, for example, you want to copy that, you click Command C, and you go to your Notion app. Mine is Notion, for example, and you just paste it here. And then like this, you can collect notes from any videos and then use it with your brain system, implement it in your life, create new tasks, and create changes in your life. For example, also, if you need to use more information from the transcript, you can just copy the full text and paste it in your note-taking system as the whole text, and it's going to be available here forever with you. You can use it as you want, and it's going to be much more effective than just trying to remember things or spending a lot of time writing it down by yourself. I hope you can enjoy this tool as I'm enjoying it, and good luck.